Thank you for following Crypto Millionaire Academy. Today's video will be about the Bitcoin all-time high hit today. This article comes from Crypto World. Please like the channel and support the video by liking the channel and then subscribing to the channel. That gives us support to continue doing videos like this, guys. So, Crypto World is from CNBC. This is their article on today's Bitcoin record high. There's a lot of excitement in crypto due to the Bitcoin record high today. Bitcoin rises to a record above 69K, then quickly tumbles 8%. Bitcoin reached a new all-time high for the first time in more than 2 years, topping 69K according to Coinmetrics. Bitcoin notched its previous record on $68,982.20 on November 10th, 2021. With Bitcoin on a hot streak, it's up 45% this year already. Investors have warned about a cooling as unrealized profit margins approach extreme levels. Bitcoin tumbled on Tuesday shortly after it reached a new all-time high for the first time in more than 2 years. The price of the cryptocurrency topped $69,210 on Tuesday morning, according to Coinmetrics, and then quickly pulled back. The losses deepened in late afternoon trading. It was the last trading lower by 8% at $61,973.37. However, with Bitcoin on a hot streak up 45% this year already, investors have cautioned that things could soon cool as unrealized profit margins approach extreme levels. The market is positioned for a steep correction, possibly between 10 and 20%, said Ed Tolson, CEO and founder of the crypto hedge fund KBIT. Any material move down will result in cascading liquidations on the crypto perpetual swap markets, while retail has piled into leverage long positions where funding rates are very high. Over the next few quarters, we expect Bitcoin to perform well, but with sharp corrections along the way. Oppenheimer's Owen Lau agreed. The rise is so fast that we are cautious about the correction, he said, but longer term, there are still catalysts supporting the positive price action. Bitcoin notched its previous record of $68,982.20 on November 10th, 2021, about a year before the catastrophic failure of FTX plagued the crypto industry at what some call crypto's Lehman Brothers moment. Bitcoin reclaiming its all-time high yet again shows it's never going away, said Alex Thorne, head of research at Galaxy Digital. In its 15 years of existence, Bitcoin has seen 4 75% plus drawdowns, and each time it has came roaring back. Claudia Medeiros, research director at crypto data provider Cal, echoed that sentiment, saying a new record is an important psychological milestone and demonstrates crypto's remarkable ability to bounce back and continue to persevere despite big headwinds. However, it doesn't have much material impact on the pace of innovation in the industry, she added. Bitcoin becomes more useful as it grows more valuable, Thorne added. At the higher market caps and daily flow, it can support larger allocations. Bitcoin volatility has consistently decreased over time, allowing allocations to take larger position sizes. Since the beginning of February, investors have been watching key themes in the Bitcoin narrative push its price higher. Catalysts driving the surge in cryptocurrency include the U.S. spot Bitcoin ETF that started trading earlier this year, along with a tightening Bitcoin supply ahead of the late April halving. This event is designed to create a scarcity event around the asset. The flagship crypto upward trend accelerated this week. Despite Tuesday's immediate correction, the new record is a triumph for an industry that has long suffered from reputational and regulatory risk that seems to be at its worst just 2 years ago when bankrupt crypto lenders dragged down crypto investors and crypto exchange FTX collapsed. At the end of 2022, as traders were trying to gauge the potential extent of the FTX contagion, Bitcoin fell to a 2-year low. The cryptocurrency fell 64% that year and has been fighting to prove its legitimacy since. The odds have always been against Bitcoin, Thorne said, citing naysayers who have referred to it as a bubble and compared it to the tulip mania in Holland during the 1600s. The people show time and time again that they want a decentralized, programmable, scarce digital currency. It could also signal the start of a new wave of retail investors re-engaging with the crypto market, said Neham's analyst John Todaro. Retail interest is often times momentum driven, and all-time high levels are a pivotal momentum driver for even more investment, he told CNBC. Additionally, this can lead to more capital flows, ironically in altcoins that comparatively start to look cheaper, he said. Crypto led by Bitcoin made a strong recovery in 2023, advancing 157%. The digital asset initially received a boost from the regional banking crisis in the U.S., and it caught a tailwind from the speculation at the time that the ETFs tracking Bitcoin prices would have received approval from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Some investors remain skeptical about the young crypto asset class, how to value or whether it has any intrinsic value. Nevertheless, U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs have brought legitimacy to it and have been hugely popular, with BlackRock iShares Bitcoin Trust, IBIT, passing 10 million assets in under management last week. So once again, Bitcoin reaches an all-time high. This is just a video to celebrate that. Bitcoin now reaches over 69K Where will Bitcoin end up by the end of the year, guys? Put the comments below. Where do you think Bitcoin will end up by the end of the year? Put the comments in the video below. Thank you for following the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Thank you.